Hey friends, I'm Laris. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my reflections on the 8 doors in QMDJ and why delivery of achievement definition is also a very important art. The 8 doors are like different filters that tells us the type of vibe surrounding a situation or person. It could mean the opportunities available, the person's relationship, the matter or objects statuses, the energy, or even luck. Here's a quick breakdown of the 8 doors and what each one means. Open door. Think of it as opportunities knocking. It may mean progress, breakthroughs with leadership energy. Life door. The one that talks about growth, business potential, health, vitality. It often shows when something is going to thrive. Rest door may mean calms, ease, flow, great for marriage, celebrations, or anything that needs smooth sailing. Injury door. It can signal conflict, pain, or setbacks. But interestingly, some others actually tie this to gambling or sudden financial windfalls. Death door. As ominous as it sounds, it represents endings, transformation, or deep challenges. And depending on the question, sometimes it will also mean real death. View door, image, perception, and status. It may look good in the at the outside, but not so in the inside. It's also tied to documentation, legal matters, and of course, appearance. Dispute door, arguments, we have gossip, or even anxiety. It can also mean fast-moving energy. And some people with this dispute door energy are excellent at debating or even forming. Obstruct door. It will mean obstacles, delays, internal resistance. It's not 100% negative by default, but it does require the person's perseverance, persistence to move forward. What I've come to appreciate more is just how layered achievement definition really can be. It's not just about what shows up in the chart, it's how we interpret the various relationships between all the pieces. We don't just look at the answer box. We also consider who's asking the question, which is the asker, who or what the question is about, which is the subject, and then what's the rank of the person in question or relationship between them. Are they senior? Are they at the same level? Are they peers or even junior? Because this is very important to know, and they affects how we identify them in the chart. Lastly, what the energy surrounds in the character, uh, current situation, and also potential outcomes. Sometimes it all points to a single box, but that box could hold many layers. Like for example, a death door, a clashing element, maybe a heavenly stamp that adds tension or harmony. So it's not just about reading the symbols alone, it's about telling a whole story accurately, especially when it comes to very serious topics like health, life and death issues, or big life decisions. There's no room for guesswork. That's why I've been focusing on building a strong foundation. And here's another thing, beyond the technical side, we must have empathy. When a child gives a very difficult answer, it's our job not just to interpret, but to deliver that insight with care. So Ninja practice isn't just about precision, it's about responsibility. Alright, it's a wrap now. Thanks for being here and letting me share this part of my journey. Until next time, may the right door open for you. Bye.